HSH Aerospace Finishes will be showcasing its latest waterborne coating systems for aircraft cabin interiors at the Aircraft Interiors Expo 2017. The Aircraft Interiors Expo is a must-attend event for the cabin interiors industry and will be held from the 25-27 September at the Long Beach Convention Center in California, US. This year, the event will be co-located with Apex Expo and the IFSA Conference Expo, representing a unique opportunity to conduct business across 3 shows. The event will cover the full spectrum of aircraft interiors products and passenger services, all in one location. HSH Aerospace Finishes looks forward to meeting you at Booth 2033.